I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, and this morning market snapshot is brought to you by theflyinthewall.com. At this hour, U.S. equity futures are trading higher. Overseas, the Asian markets were up, while European markets are gaining. Today's analyst upgrades include Baidu upgrading to buy from hold at Kaufman Bros, American Superconductor upgrading to buy from hold at Jefferies, Saks upgrading to overweight from neutral at JP Morgan. Downgrades include PetSmart downgrading to neutral from buy at Janney Montgomery, Buckeye GP downgrading to market perform from outperform at Wells Fargo, Williams-Sonoma downgrading to hold from buy at Citigroup. Hot news this morning, Triumph Group will purchase Vought Aircraft Industries for $1.44 billion from the Carlyle Group for cash and stock, including the retirement of Vought debt. Wynnefield Capital, a long-term investor in Motorcar Parts of America, has released a letter urging the board to commence a, quote, process to explore strategic alternatives in order to enhance shareholder value, including but not limited to a potential sale of the company, end quote. Clinical data announced that the company has submitted a new drug application to the FDA for vilazodone for the treatment of major depressive disorder, or MDD. Beckman Coulter says conditions on its troponin test kits could impact its outlook. The company said in a regulatory filing that the FDA indicated certain modifications to its troponin test kits as used on DXI systems and as used on access systems were made without obtaining appropriate product clearances from the FDA. IAC Interactive Corporation's Sonori, an operating business of IAC and division of Ask-sponsored listings, announced that it has been granted approval on applications for 2 individual U.S. patents relating to its core web navigation redirect technology. They relate to, quote, an electronic marketplace which allows owners of unused domain names to lease their domains to bidding advertisers, end quote. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more on those business headlines and more analyst upgrades and downgrades, you can find them at www.theflyonthewall.com. You can also get this report daily every morning by subscribing to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend.